In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared folder in OneDrive. If you're looking to streamline collaboration and efficiently share files with people, setting up a shared folder is a sure way to get started. Stick with me as we walk through each step, ensuring you feel confident by the time you finish watching this video. To begin, let's go ahead and start by accessing OneDrive. Once you're in, look for the button that either says Create or Upload. It's typically displayed prominently on your OneDrive dashboard. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu offering various options for what you can create or upload. In this case, we're interested in creating a new folder, so go ahead and click on Folder. At this point, you'll be prompted to name your new folder. Think about a name that accurately represents the contents or purpose of what you're going to store. A good name is clear and concise, making it easy for you and others to understand at a glance. So take a moment to type in that name and create your folder. With the folder created, you'll want to navigate to the My Files section within OneDrive. This is where you'll locate your newly created folder amongst your existing files and folders. Once you've found it, the next step is sharing it with others. Look for an icon that resembles either 3 dots or a share symbol. You may find this icon directly on the folder or by right-clicking on it. The 3 dots typically indicate more options, so clicking there will give you the option to share. This is crucial because sharing is what allows others to access the folder. After clicking Share, a window will appear prompting you to specify who you'd like to share the folder with. OneDrive provides a few options here. You can either enter the email addresses of the people you wish to invite, or, if you prefer, copy the sharing link provided. The link can be easily sent via email, messaging, or any other method you like. Just remember to double-check the permissions before you send it off. You want to ensure the recipients either have view-only or edit permissions, depending on how you want them to interact with the folder. And there you have it. You've successfully created and shared a folder on OneDrive. With this setup, collaboration becomes a breeze, allowing you and others to access, edit, and manage files efficiently from anywhere, as long as there's an internet connection. Remember, sharing a folder doesn't just share the contents at the time of sharing, but it also shares everything you add later, making it a dynamic tool for ongoing projects and teamwork. Thanks for